Sabah al khair, good morning. How's your morning going so far? Good morning. Can I hear you say a good morning back? Make me feel you're all active. No, that's not good enough. Good morning. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so welcome everyone for the second time to the Data Science Conference MENA 24. It's a pleasure to be here with you today, and I will be hosting this session with you. My name is Mayeged, and today we will have in this room, in the library, two tracks, the data-driven culture in organizations and the NLP and text analytics. So both of them will be run from the library. The first part, or the first track, will be before lunch, and then the second track will be after lunch. You will have 3 sessions on the first track and then 2 sessions in the second track. Okay, so this year the conference brings together over 1,000 people, as you heard in the auditorium, and they are from all over the world, Europe, MENA, and beyond. So I'm very excited to be here with you, and I would like to introduce our first speaker for today. And the speaker is someone I actually know from a long, long time ago. We used to go to school together. So it's actually a pleasure to be introducing this speaker. I'd like to welcome Ahmed Refaay. And Ahmed Refaay will be talking about where to start your data analytics journey. Ahmed Refaay brings over 20 years of experience in moving businesses forward through the power of data analytics and digital transformation. He has an impressive career across giants like Procter & Gamble and General Electric, where he tackled a wide array of challenges in data analytics, cloud computing, and process optimization. His leadership extends across various engineering and operational excellence roles, both regionally and locally. He actively teaches courses at the American University in Cairo. That's where we both graduated a long time ago. And he's the managing partner of Pegasus. Welcome to the stage, Ahmed.
Thank you very much, Umar. I really appreciate it. It's kind of a good thing. Thank you everyone for attending, and it's a pleasure to have May. It's all by a chance, but it was a great thing. I would like to thank you all. This is an educational thing, so I'll try to make it very quickly to have more questions. So this topic is all about your education, where to start with your data analytics, and so on and so forth. So let me start briefly by Pegasus as a company. We are Pegasus Operational Excellence. We think of us as an ethos connecting process excellence with digital transformation. There are 3 aspects of digital transformation, which is people, process, and technology. In Pegasus, we focus more into the part of the process, as you might have seen here, which is the biggest part, which is 60%. Process means people, and then the technological and digital part where it comes in. Unfortunately, with the current state, as you might have seen, the current practices show that lots of people invest lots of effort into the integration part. With Pegasus, we flip this side. The more value you have is with the reporting and the data analytics that you put into it. Imagine if you can have your integration happening into one place seamlessly and very fast. How we do that? We do it very simply with the simple 6 Sigma methodology: define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. Where you start with the process, understand what people are doing, build your PIs, in-process measures, output measures, KPIs, start blending the data together just to get everything into one place, to have one single source of truth, and then you leave it with the BI layer at the back. We are very happy to be working with key technology partners, though we are 100% platform agnostic, but we are working with a glamorous partnership with all of these platforms. And we think that the current age is exactly what we have here. It's no longer the big beating the small, it is the fast beating the slow. We have been seeing lots of changes with the Uber model, with lots of other companies taking the lead from big companies. So think about that. It's how fast we can adapt, how fast we can build the process, how fast we can build the capability for people. That's about Pegasus. Just to be able to build Pegasus, we are very lucky to depend on big data technologies and lots of operational excellence methodologies. So these are the lineup of the people working with Pegasus as the main partners, and you might have noticed that we have different backgrounds, some in the startups, some in the financial sector, technology, operation and supply chain, and even data science. So let's know about me a little bit, because I think that at a given point of time when you are starting your journey, you need to start, okay, Ahmed, where did you start and how it ended like this? So people think of that. I'm actually a mechanical engineer, which is, people, huh? Why? Okay, it's a good thing. It's all about the process, how you build your mindset. This is the thing. I started working with Procter & Gamble first, in multiple positions, building factories and so on and so forth. Then I went into quality assurance. Then I went to being a factory manager, and this is actually one of the good things, is getting the whole exposure for everything regarding different departments and so on and so forth. I have lots and lots exposure in the TPM, which is total productive maintenance or total production management, depending on where you say it. So you're exposed to HR, quality assurance, finance, manufacturing, maintenance. These are the working pillars. And then I started working as a teaching instructor at the American University in Cairo in the business school. I teach multiple courses, including crisis management, operation management, project management, and so on and so forth. Then the big change happened when I went to General Electric. In General Electric, I was handling Africa, Middle East, Turkey, and Russia, and the ex-Russian Federation countries. So you can imagine it's almost like 1/3 of the whole world, where you take all the data and put it into one place. Doing this 14 years ago, the word big data was not yet coined. The single source of truth was not yet available. So imagine doing that almost like 14 or 15 years ago. This is a big thing. And this is where actually it made us start working with Pegasus. Why we don't do that for Egypt and for the countries and for any other company that want to do that.